In ALEKS, when you're taking the quiz for the learning period, it's important to go ahead and take the quiz once and then realize that you can review that quiz at any time. When you click on the quiz tab, you can see previously taken quizzes, and if you click on the link of the date, when the date of the quiz was submitted, you get to a more detailed report. This shows you the topic that for each of the questions and whether you got them correct or incorrect. So if you click on the actual topic title of a question that you missed, so here's question 7. If I click on that, I'm going to see what the question was. I'm going to see what I answered and what the correct answer was. And sometimes that's enough to see, you can see the mistake that you made. But other times you're going to need to hit explain. And then you can review the instructions on how to do this question. Don't forget that there's links that you can click on to get further explanation of maybe a definition for factoring. In this case, it's asking you, why is this formula true? So you want a little more explanation of why that works. You can click on that link. Okay, and once you're done looking this over and reviewing how to do this, you can close the window, and it will take you back to the screen. And then you can see here question number 9 I missed in 10, and so I'm going to look at that topic as well. And again, you can click explain, and you can see, hey, I can click the more button if I need a little bit more. Okay, it's going to show a little more of an explanation. Okay, and so just each question is going to be a little bit different in the extra resources they give you. Now, if you're looking at that and you really still are feeling a little bit confused, remember that you can take this topic title and you can look in the math video section. So along the side here, you can click math video, and we're already on this page, and you can see they're listed alphabetically by the topic title. And you can see that I have factoring, the difference of 2 square videos. I have factoring a quadratic with leading coefficient of 1, one with leading coefficient greater than 1. These are the ones that were missed on the quiz that I showed you. If you missed a question and you looked at the explanation in ALEKS and you didn't get it, and you looked over here and you can't find the video that you would like, then that's when you can send me a message and I can help find or create a video for you to help you with that topic. Now, if you're doing that on the last day at 5 o'clock, the chances that I get you the video before you have to finish that quiz is going to be pretty small. So I suggest that you do this process early in the week for the quiz week, okay? So that you have a chance to review the questions that you missed and practice them. So to practice them, what I would do is write down the topic titles or the question numbers that you missed, right? And look at, in this case, it's 7, 9, and 10. So once you go back to this quiz screen again, I can retake quiz 6 as many times as I want, or whatever quiz. They're all going to be unlimited now. And I go ahead and start that quiz. Now what I can do is go ahead and just practice questions 7, 9, and 10. So, or if there were some other ones that I wanted to just review because I wasn't very comfortable with them, you could do that as well. Now if you notice, I'm going to have to click on that twice, but you can get to question 7. Okay, and then you can go ahead and just practice these questions. And then, you can either hit next question or skip over to the next question that you wanted to practice, and just kind of see how you do on those. Okay. And oops. Let's see. And then submit that quiz and look at your results. Now obviously we didn't do these, but okay, so I missed those 2 questions again, so I'm going to want to review those again. You can just kind of repeat this process until you're comfortable. Okay, so you can see I put 3 instead of 6, and so maybe I need to hit explain again to see what I did, maybe I don't. Okay, so you can just click on those to see what was done wrong and the explanation again if you need it. And you can repeat this process, just practicing those questions that you missed until you feel comfortable, and then take the whole quiz again. Whoops, sorry. So just click on that quiz one more time, or how many ever times you need to. And then I only take your highest quiz score, and I click on that and I look at, little things. If you put a Z and it's supposed to be an X, I'll give you some partial credit for that question. But I don't do that until after the due date of the quiz. So realize that I'm only looking at your highest quiz result. So don't worry about all those other little ones that you're using to practice. All right, good luck.